This is how I wired up my 6-way relay fuse box to a 6-gang switch box. Switch box has a positive and a negative, and 6 positive leads. Turn on a cap and light here. By the way, this thing can be ran through your accessory line if you put it to the accessory line into the positive accessory. You don't have to have the engine running. So, I have my spotlight, my rear light, strobe light. Here's my switch for change of patterns. I don't know if you can see out there. Kill that. So I ran my positive and negative from the battery to this relay fuse block. Like I was saying earlier, if you want to use the key accessory, so every time you turn your key on, you have power to this whole unit here. Then I jumpered it right here, so I don't have it ran through the key switch, ignition switch. So on this switch box here, you got the white leads, 6 of them. They will go to the output side of the relay. And then all incoming light leads, positive and negative, black and red, follow it, they will go to the fuse side. So you got your positive here and your negative side here. If I turn these lights on, I won't turn the wiper on, but you'll see the fuse lights go on. And if you blow a fuse, it should turn red. So yeah, this is how I wired mine.